Hello lovely people, you are welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to make some curry vegetable rice and I'm going to share my recipe with you. Okay, I have 2 cups of rice here. I have oil, I have my salt, I have chopped carrots, onions, green bell pepper, I have curry powder here, I have black pepper, white pepper, dried thyme, I have sweet corn, I have garden peas, and I have baked beans for my salad. I have cabbage also here. I already have water on fire. I'll add my salt and a bit of oil to it and let it boil very well. Okay, our water is boiling. I've washed my rice very well and I'm adding it to it. Okay, so while our rice is on fire, we are going to work on our salad. I forgot to tell you I have lettuce also here that I'm going to use. Okay. So I added vinegar to the water. I'm going to give it a wash. Okay, so we are checking on our rice. Yes, it's a bit hard, but I'm not going to add water to it. I am going to cover it with a napkin and lower it a bit and allow it to cook. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of black pepper on it. It's optional. A little bit of white pepper around is optional. I'm going to add my egg beans to it. We are checking on our rice. Okay, finally our rice is well cooked, so we are going to take it off fire and we are going to start frying it. Okay, so we have our pan on fire. We are going to add a bit of oil to it. You don't need much. We'll add our onions to it. I forgot to tell you, I have some spring onions here that we are going to use. Okay, so I'm going to add a bit of the dried thyme, a bit of dried thyme. Okay, you don't need much, just a little. To give it a very nice flavor. And I'm going to add my rice. Add a bit of mixed spices. It's optional, just a bit. Because the carrot is hard, I will add it first. Okay, I covered it for 1 minute just to get the carrots a bit soft. So at this point, I'll add my green pepper to it. A bit of sweet corn. I'll give it a bit of black pepper, a bit of white pepper. going to add my garden peas. Add my spring onions. Okay, we wouldn't want spring onion to be tender, so I am going to take it off. Then we are going to fry the remaining rice also. Okay, so we are going to fry the second batch also, and this time I'm going to put in both the onion and the carrots. With this one, I am not adding dried thyme to it. I'll mix it with the other one and it should be okay. Okay, so this is the end result of our curry vegetable rice. You are going to love it if you give it a try, and this food is vegetarian friendly. Yes, so give it a try. I'm going to serve this food with a salad and then green chili pepper sauce. There's a link in the description box. Check there for how to prepare green chili pepper sauce, and also my homemade Jago mayonnaise. You will love it. So check the description box for a link to how to make mayonnaise at home, and my homemade tomato ketchup. There was a link in the description box, you can check for it, and some fried chicken. I have a recipe on KFC chicken, so you can check it. This is not KFC chicken, but you can use the same idea for this. And so this is it, and you are going to enjoy it. This is awesome. Please give it a try. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Thanks so much, and God richly bless you. Bye bye.
생각했는데 추억이 잠시 널 떠올려